McElwee. This is a 2012 RZR 900. Custom trophy truck body built by Kyle Corder at KC Customs. It's got a 5-inch high lifter lift, 17-inch STI wheels, 30-inch Rocktanes, all custom powder coated by Witt's Powder Coating out of Bossier City, painted and wrapped by Witt's Elite Graphics out of Bossier City. It's got a high lifter 5-inch bracket lift, all powder coated. Got a Kyle custom cut down the roll cage, added a few support bars, custom built the bumper, added some light bar mounts to them, 30-inch and a 20-inch light bar on the front. The whole body is custom built. Had to build all the custom bracket and everything. This body's actually not for a RZR 900. He had to custom build all the brackets and everything. Had to left it all open in the back, kind of give it that trophy truck look. Got a custom pull plate done. Had to build all these custom intake brackets for it. Custom seats by XXX Seat. Got a custom 2 6.5-inch kickers with the kicker component in the front. Had the custom fab us some doors so it's easy access. Kit only came with the front and the back, so we had to fill in the gap. Added a lid for the gas door, put gas in it.